Welcome back to today's dose of back to school organization motivation, where I attempt to motivate myself to motivate you to get organized before school starts in a month. Today I'm going through my youngest son's drawers. This child has way too many clothes because he gets a lot of hand-me-downs, but he only wears a very small handful of sports themed attire. And even though he's only going into first grade, he already tells me some of his outfits are too babyish, so I'll just be crying about that. And just in case you think I'm getting ready to Marie Kondo fold these clothes, I left that level of organization back in my mom of two era. It's long gone. I already know these drawers will look chaotic in less than a week. We are just going for slightly less chaotic at this point. I've been using these little cloth storage bins from Dollar Tree for several years, but now that my kids get themselves dressed, the clothes just get thrown and smushed around. So I decided to try out these drawer dividers instead, just to have some sort of attempt at separating the clothes. After the course of several hours and days of stopping and starting, we got a good pile of things to give away here. It's better, but I honestly think he still has way too much, so I'm probably going to have to cut it down some more. But as of now, we have another task complete as I continue to motivate myself and you to get organized for back to school. Make sure to follow along, and I'll see you soon.